It all starts with raw gold ore, mined deep from the earth. These rocks contain only tiny traces of gold, hidden inside. Powerful crushers break the rocks into manageable pieces. Next, the ore is ground into powder to maximize extraction. Special chemical solutions are added to separate gold from waste. Technicians remove impurities to ensure purity and quality. After treatment, the slurry separates, leaving concentrated gold. Further chemical refining guarantees 24K purity. The concentrate is melted at high temperatures in massive furnaces. Molten gold flows carefully into molds, forming rough ingots. Temperatures soar over 1,000 degrees Celsius as it turns liquid gold. Every batch is closely monitored before final shaping. The gold is poured into final molds, taking its official shape. Bars cool slowly, hardening into solid, shine gold. This certifies authenticity and quality of every gold bar. Each bar is stamped with weight, purity, and refinery logo. Bars are transported carefully within the refinery for packaging. Bars are boxed for secure shipping around the world. From refinery to vault, gold begins its journey to markets. Modern technology ensures speed, safety, and precision in refining.